Hey cosplayers! In a previous video, we talked about sealing your EVA foam, and you heard me and many other people talk about sealing it with Plasti-Dip. But you're probably sitting there in your small workshop or apartment thinking, man, that stuff's stinky, I don't have any room for that, and I can't spray it anywhere outside. I'm in an apartment, or I'll get yelled at by my landlord or neighbors, and I don't have a garage or whatever, right? So if that's you, you're in luck, because in today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 alternative ways to seal your foam that you can do in a small space or an apartment. All right? If you're excited about this video, go ahead and comment with the word seal in the comments below. Just go ahead and you can comment it right now. All right, if you haven't, while you're there, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit that bell notification and select all so you get notified of all of these cosplay quick tip clips whenever they come out. Stay on top of your game and cosplay like a boss. With that, let's go ahead and cover 3 alternatives to using Plasti-Dip to seal your EVA foam. All right, now first off is going to be Podge. Podge. I always want to add a DGE there. Podge. And this works great. You can just spread it on with a brush. It remains flexible and you can paint over it. So one of the main reasons of why I use Plasti-Dip and not some of these when I can, because with the aerosol spray, you can usually get a lot smoother coat. You're not going to get any brush strokes and that kind of thing. If you're careful and you do it right and you use a good brush, you can avoid brush strokes with these type of things that we're talking about today as well. But just kind of to give you a reason why I do use Plasti-Dip. But Podge is awesome. And then another one is CreatureCast. Now, I don't have that with me right now, but I will link a video in the description to Evil Ted, his channel, using CreatureCast. And he uses it frequently, and it turns out really great. And you just spread that on with a brush as well. Or you can even load that into a critter gun, I believe, and get that kind of aerosol spray. But once again, if you're in a small space, you probably don't have that stuff. But you can get a nice smooth coat, and it's even sandable slightly with a wet sand after if you have a couple high points, or if you have some of those brush strokes kind of showing up, you can actually sand those down. A third one is Flex Bond, which I don't have with me as well, but I'll link a video in the description as well for that to Kamui Cosplay's channel, and they have a very awesome video on using Flex Bond to create a really cool metal look on their foam when you seal it with that. And so once again, you can just brush that on, remains flexible, and it does a really good job in that video as well. So I'll link that for you. I'll also include all 3 of these. So once again, that list, you have Podge, CreatureCast, and Flex Bond. All 3 of those are great options. Low odor to no odor. CreatureCast is non-toxic, low odor, and Flex Bond is the same. So all of them are great in a small space, and I'll link all of these products in the description as well so that you can go and check those out and see which one will work best for you. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If you guys like this, give it a like, share it with somebody that you know it'll be helpful for that might be working out of a small space. If you didn't like it, a dislike's fine too. Helps me be able to know what you guys like and don't like. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And also, please comment for us. What is your single greatest challenge when it comes to painting your props and costumes for cosplay? With that, I'll wish you a good one and cosplay on, my friends.